So a homeowner that feels sorry for their insurance company, we run into that sometimes. They don't want to be a burden on their insurance company. If the damage is legitimate and reasonable, like you say, a homeowner should not feel sorry for their insurance company.
Yeah, I feel sorry for the IRS. I don't want to be a burden to them, so I'm going to overpay the IRS because I feel sorry for them. It's the same thing.
Yeah, but we run into it.
So the insurance company has made a promise to you. Trust us. If you have a covered loss, we're going to indemnify you. We're going to make you whole. Your claims proceeds will be sufficient for you to be able to repair your property in a timely manner, and you be made whole. You're in the exact same financial position after the loss as you were before the loss. It's simple. They have a contractual obligation. They have a contract to do that for you. Why wouldn't you allow them to do what they promised that they would do for you?
Yeah.
It doesn't make sense.